Skip first entry in for loop in Python. In Python, how do I do something like
To skip the first element in Python, you can simply write, or to skip the last elementary. You can use this concept for any sequence, not for any iterable though.
The other answers only work for a sequence. For any iterable, to skip the first item. If you want to skip the last, you could do The best way to skip the first items is isLice. In this case is invoked with a start point of 1, and an end point of none, signifying the end of the iterable. To be able to skip items from the end of an iterable, you need to know its length, always possible for a list, but not necessarily for everything you can iterate on. For example, isLice cars 1, len cars -1 will skip the first and last items in cars.
Here is a more general generator function that skips any number of items from the beginning and end of an iterable. Example usage.
If you like to see more, please consider subscribing.